Okay, guys, I have a little treat for you guys. I will call her name in a minute. Oh, Abby! And there she goes in my room. Ah, crap. She doesn't like listening sometimes. Abby! Hi! What's that? Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Into the kitchen. Abby, don't sit anywhere. This is my neighbor's dog, Abby, and Psycho doesn't really like him, but she's a really good dog, and it's really dark in here. Yay! Oh. Yay! What's that? I know. What is that? What is that? What is that? Wait, watch this. Wow, she just farted. Oh my god.